In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Elementor version. If you're managing a WordPress website and using Elementor to build your amazing pages, it's crucial to keep track of your plugin version. By knowing your current version, you ensure compatibility with other WordPress components, manage updates effectively, and maintain your site's performance and security. So, let's dive right in and see how simple this process is. First, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel, a hub from where you manage all the aspects of your website. If you're not familiar with how to get there, you can typically access your dashboard by appending wp-admin to your site's URL in your browser. Once you're in, you should see the familiar WordPress interface. With your dashboard open, look to the menu on the left side of the screen. This menu allows you to navigate various sections of your WordPress site. You're going to want to locate the Elementor tab here. If you're an Elementor user, it should be pretty easy to find. Just scroll down until you see the Elementor section. It's usually somewhere midway down if you have a standard installation. Now, under this Elementor tab, click on System Info. This is a feature that offers a treasure trove of details about your site. Once on the System Info page, you'll immediately see a variety of data points regarding your website. Think of it as a diagnostic tool, listing everything from your site's PHP version to server specifications. Amidst all this useful information, you'll also find the exact version of Elementor that you are currently using. Keeping an eye on your Elementor version helps avoid any potential compatibility issues with themes and other plugins. You might wonder why this is so important. Well, compatibility issues can lead to broken layouts or even functionalities not working as expected on your site. By knowing your version, you can double-check that your theme and any add-ons are up to date and fully compatible with your instance of Elementor. Additionally, regularly checking your version helps to ensure that you're taking advantage of the latest features. Updates often include new functionalities and improvements, as well as crucial security patches to safeguard your site. So, make it a habit to verify your Elementor version every so often. And there you have it. Checking your Elementor version is a simple yet effective way to maintain your WordPress website's performance. By following these steps, you ensure that your site remains in top shape, ready to deliver a seamless user experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful WordPress tips and tutorials.